Good morning, students. We are going to start the new topic that will be depression freezing point, and it is denoted by del TF. We know that at the freezing point of a solvent, the solid and the liquid are in equilibrium. This is only possible if they have the same vapor pressure. Thus, the freezing point is the temperature at which the solid and the liquid state of the substance have the same vapor pressure. It has been observed that when a non-volatile solute is added to a solvent, the freezing point of the solution is always lower than that of the pure solvent. You know about these things. Now it can be illustrated graphically as shown in figure. We see the figure. Let us see the figure. The graph is plotted between the vapor pressure and the temperature, and we see two curves. First curve pure liquid and second curve solution, and TF will be the freezing point of the solution and T naught F will be the freezing point of the pure liquid. And we see that the freezing point of the pure liquid is more than that of the solution. That means del TF equal to T naught F minus TF. Okay. That means this decrease in freezing point of a liquid is known as depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point we have discussed about del TF equal to T naught F minus TF. Now finally we calculate del TF equal to KF into M. M represents molality, and equal to KF into WB divided by MB into 1000 divided by WA. Now we have to find out the molecular mass of the solute, and this will be the final equation. MB equal to KF into WB into 1000 divided by del TF into WA. KF is a molar depression constant. It is also known as cryoscopic constant, and its unit will be Kelvin kg per mole. And some are the examples which are related with the depression freezing point. Ethylene glycol is usually added to water in the radiator to lower its freezing point. It is called antifreeze solution. Okay, very important example. Another example, you see in a cold or a winter season, common salt and anhydrous calcium chloride CaCl2, okay, are used to clear snow on the roads because they depress the freezing point of the water, and the freezing point depression is determined by Bachmann method or Rast method. You see in Jammu Kashmir in winter season, uh, these materials are used to clear snow on the roads because there are lots of problems which are due to heavy snow falling. This is also example which are related with a depression freezing point. Okay, thank you. Next topic, in next video we will discuss about osmosis and osmotic pressure. Okay.